In a world where space is often limited, the desire to cultivate fresh, organic produce at home remains strong. Whether you live in a cozy apartment with a small balcony or a house with a tiny backyard, the good news is that you can transform even the tiniest space into a bountiful garden. This video channel is your guide to achieving just that. We'll explore the ingenious ways to make the most of your confined space, from maximizing vertical gardens to choosing the right containers. You'll learn the secrets of nurturing healthy soil and selecting the best seeds for small gardens. We'll delve into sustainable watering practices, harnessing the power of sunlight, and using organic fertilizers to nourish your plants. As we move forward, you'll discover how to identify and manage pests and diseases organically, ensuring your garden thrives. We'll also share strategies for achieving high yields, even in limited spaces, through succession planting and intensive gardening techniques. Throughout your journey, we'll emphasize sustainability, both within your garden and beyond. You'll find tips on year-round gardening, supporting local food systems, and harvesting, storing, and preserving your precious produce. By the time you finish reading this book, you'll have the knowledge and tools to turn your confined space into a flourishing oasis of fresh, organic goodness. Let's get started on your sustainable gardening adventure. Welcome to the channel, and I wish you much success on your confined space gardening journey.